Gente, vocês não imaginam o que eu vou mostrar para vocês. A última inovação para carregar dentro de um automóvel um drone da Expand Aero. Estamos aqui com o Alan. Alan vai explicar para a gente como funciona essa máquina e esse veículo. Alan, could you explain what us about this machine, please?
Yeah, so this is a land aircraft carrier. It is a van and with an aircraft in its trunk. It is the world's first trunk that can fit an aircraft, so it's the first aircraft that can fit inside a trunk. You will use this in a scenario where you go to beautiful places, but in the past you'll take a camera or maybe like a drone out to capture the moment. But this time, except we want you to go outside and go fly and see the world for yourself in a different perspective.
Imagina só, rapaz, a gente pega esse veículo. How long during the battery?
How long the battery lasts? So we don't have an official number for that yet. We're still doing prototype testing, so the engineer wouldn't tell us. So
okay.
I don't have an answer for you today, unfortunately.
Ok, ele está em fase de testes ainda, né? Então... Olha, gente, esse aqui é o drone, é o carro voador que sai de dentro daquela caminhonete que eu acabei de mostrar para vocês. É show de bola. Eles não dizem ainda a autonomia, mas em breve a empresa irá disponibilizar isso para consumo, né? Isso aqui é um protótipo que eles estão lançando aqui na feira da CES. Cabem somente 2 pessoas.
So it's making personal flights more accessible.
Olá, pessoal, encontramos aqui a Vani da Expand. Ela vai explicar para a gente como é que funciona esse drone. O Brasil, a Embraer está fazendo esse eVTOL, né? Eu vou mostrar para vocês, vou até chegar perto, ó, tamanho.
Okay. So it got 6 propellers, and they're mainly made out of carbon fibers.
Okay.
Yeah, and there is 2 operation modes for the flight control. One is autonomous and the other one is manual. You can see the cockpit is very simple. There's only 1 lever, 1 stick, and then 1 touching screen. So here you can see for manual control, you just need to do with the 1 lever control.
Muito fácil.
Yes, and on the screen you can see how high you are at and what is the speed. And on the right side, you can see your routes, just like Google Maps. It's gonna show you the estimated arrival time. So it's very easy to learn and very easy to operate. So no stress to be a pilot.
How long during the battery?
For the battery. So for the car one, it's gonna be extended range.
Okay.
So hybrid, it can keep recharging the aircraft for maximum 6 flights.
6 flights?
Yes.
How long the flight?
How long? Currently for this one is set for a short distance travel, just to experience the personal flights. And for the exact parameters, it will be announced after we obtain the type certification this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right. How much is this? The price?
Make a guess.
$1 million.
$1 million
$1 million.
Yes.
Okay. So currently the estimated price for Chinese market is about $300,000 US. So it's way less than you expected.
$300 mil, né? $300 mil. É barato, a gente faz um leasing e aluga isso, né? Gente, thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bye bye.